Good Sunday, everyone. I hope your weekend's going well and that you're having an enjoyable and relaxing weekend, that's for sure. Looking at our daily weather map for today, we see some scattered showers and thunderstorms throughout much of the country. We have a cold front that's making its way down through the central U.S., and that thing is kicking up quite some active weather, and it's going to for this entire week ahead. Today it kicks up showers and thunderstorms that could be severe from Indiana stretching up through Ohio and Pennsylvania all the way up into northern New England. They even have a flash flood risk stretching up across portions of northeastern Ohio and western Pennsylvania and western New York State. Flash flood risk is also present in eastern Colorado, western Kansas, northern New Mexico, and again in southern Arizona and southwestern New Mexico. So again, a very active weather day, especially for this time of the year. We're normally just seeing the hot and hazy, lazy days of summer, but today we're seeing a pretty active weather map. Speaking of active weather, we have some active weather coming our way too in the form of showers and thunderstorms. Today being the driest day of the next 5 days, there are indications that our region will see anywhere from 3 to 5 inches of rain by the time this next week is over with. I know the gardens need water, but sometimes they get a little too much water and things can be a little detrimental, but there's nothing we can do about it, so we just have to take it, right? 20% chance for an isolated shower storm today. We had some isolated showers and storms around yesterday that kind of caught some of us off guard. Some of those put down some pretty heavy rain, so this week is already overperforming on precipitation chances, so we'll see what happens today. Tomorrow we tick up to 70% chance now in the afternoon and evening. It looks like the morning's going to be dry, but the afternoon and evening is when the weather starts to get active. And then it really doesn't let up for the rest of the week. It looks like our lowest rain chance might be Tuesday night with another 20% chance. That's because the frontal system kind of pushes through Tuesday evening, and that could give us a drier Tuesday night before that front lifts back to the north on Wednesday to give us more scattered showers and thunderstorms. And then that activity increases even more on Thursday, and it's looking like even now Friday is going to be wet. The good news is that the long-range models are suggesting the cold front does push through Friday evening, which would give us a nice weekend next weekend, but that's a long way off as far as the forecast goes, so we'll wait and see how things happen between now and then. But just prepare for a very wet week ahead of us. And with that wetness comes the chance of storms, which comes the risk for strong storms. So today we're being safe in the heat, staying hydrated, staying in the shade, especially in the afternoon. And then Monday and Tuesday, we're on the lookout for some strong storms. The Storm Prediction Center has highlighted our region in the marginal risk for severe thunderstorms. That is the lowest of the 5 risk categories, but we're being mindful of any storm that develops because it could produce damaging winds like your typical summertime stuff. But the atmosphere is a little bit more unstable than usual, so there's a little bit more of a chance for an isolated damaging wind gust. I don't have anything on Wednesday and Thursday just yet. I probably won't ever on Wednesday. That's too much of a scattered activity type day. But Thursday, we may end up having to add a strong storm risk as well. So just be aware of that as that front lifts back to the north of us. So overall, looking like a wet and unsettled week. No widespread severe weather in sight, but certainly some strong storms now and again, especially with some heavy rainfall, frequent cloud to ground lightning, and some gusty winds. So you folks have a wonderful Sunday. Keep looking at that. For even more weather information, just keep reading along the blog meteorologistsmart.com.